Mankind has 23 genes that do not exist in any other mammal. We have origins that are not from this world.
They are telling us that we are the product of the evolution. Of course we are not. At one point, we got here as a product of the genetic engineering.
Humans are not native to planet Earth. Along with domesticated plants and animals, we have been genetically engineered by outside intervention for unknown purposes. Somebody came here and designed this planet to suit them. And we are a product of that program, whatever that program was.
I'll tell you what I think really happened. I think that we are a creation of someone else. I think that's what happened. I think somebody came here a long time ago and created us.
So what science is telling us, our own science, through both the fossil and the genetic record, it's saying that genetically, that something happened, something mysterious happened to us a long time ago, and it's shown in the genetic record where we acquired genetic material that was the result of a fusion of other creatures' materials that cannot happen through nature. The scientists are telling us that those genes do not occur naturally, that they were fused from other primate genes to make us who we are today. We were intentionally tweaked, if you will, or modified to exist in this world in the way that we do today for very specific purposes.
When you have the human, chimp, gorilla, orangutan, but there is a difference. They all have 48 chromosomes, and we have 46. We lost 2 whole chromosomes. This is the big secret they don't tell you. Somebody fused them. The second one, somebody took number 2 and number 3 on the primates, and in us, fused it together. Why do you suppose they would want to do that? Keep the whole chromosome package there, but turn 2 into 1. Why? What if they wanted to breed us with something that had 46 chromosomes and create an offspring that way? They would have to combine the package and reduce it from 48 to 46 without losing any of the DNA. And that's what they did. That is what they did.
There's apparently evidence that we were actually genetically engineered. Can you go through some of that evidence, maybe in our own DNA?
Oh, absolutely. And you know, this DNA evidence has been lurking in the background for many decades. It's just the people that discovered the DNA. You know, what's fascinating is that I'm not sure if it was Watson or Crick or both of them that admitted that they were both high on DMT or acid when they actually came to see the imagery and discover the double helix of the DNA. What's fascinating is that we get the Sumerian translations, especially in Sitchin's work, is absolutely specific about how the human race came to be, how the Anunnaki found the gold. They mined it themselves for a long time until they realized they weren't getting enough of it and they needed help. So they decided to clone a new species specifically for the purpose to help them mine the gold, to be the slaves in the gold mining operation. And that's where humanity suddenly makes its appearance.